In this lesson, we'll go further in depth into objects, properties, and events. What you'll be learning here will be how to properly access the appropriate properties of objects that you're looking to change, and then create or use proper events to complete your code. Now that we know how to reference specific objects within Excel, the next step is to learn how to manipulate them, how to apply actions and change their properties. We go about doing this in a method that utilizes the syntax that you used. First, we must understand what properties, methods, and events are. We can summarize them like this. Properties are attributes that belong to an object. Things such as width, length, color, or data type of an object are all properties. Methods are actions that can be applied to an object. Actions such as copy, paste, clear are all methods that can be applied to objects. Events are occurrences that objects respond to. Opening or closing a workbook is an event, for example. Please note that there are thousands of properties and events. You will not have to remember them all. Differentiating between these will allow you to better formulate your code, and you'll be able to understand what type of selection and action you are imparting on your object. Let's start with this subroutine, find format formulas. After defining our variables, active sheet, and the range operator as a shorter form, we then start referring to all the ranges in shorter form, simply to make writing the code quicker. Now let's look at where the ranges we are looking at are located. Read this section as, for each range in active sheets cells that are identified within formulas. Special cells has a bracket with XL cell type formula because it is referring to a specific type of special cell. Remember, special cell is a property. It has multiple options that one can choose, so it's important to denote exactly what kind of special cell you're looking to manipulate. A key point to remember is that when you're adjusting properties, you're changing a variable within an already predefined property. This means that we are changing a property value of the interior color index. However, when you're running a method on an object, there is no changing a value. You're simply applying an action, and therefore it doesn't need a value assigned to it like a property edit. You can apply the action with a dot, just as you see here in this example.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.